Hello, and welcome to the Virtual Martial Arts Competition School Owners website. This website is designed for martial arts school owners that want to run competitions within their own school. What we're going to be working on today is registering and looking at the back office that's supplied to each school owner. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to go over a basic look of the website. If you notice here, you have avatars. These avatars will give you information about the website and give you some instructions. So take a few minutes and click on the avatars and let them talk to you and tell you a little bit about the website and exactly how it runs. Okay, what I want to show you here is we're going to page down and we're going to take a look at some of the different things here. You have a login area. This is your login area. Okay. Registration links. This is important because school owner registration, you want to click here. If you're a school owner, you're going to go ahead and register here, and then you'll come back and log in this area here. Let's page down a little bit further. You notice that we also have management companies and consulting companies too. So if you belong to a management company, you could register through them or through a consulting company. Chats, forums, different things on the side over here. You could click here and take a look at all of the videos. If you notice here, you have upcoming events, you have extreme events, and you have traditional events. You can click on any of these categories, within those months, and when you get to the back office, you're going to see how you could also integrate these categories with categories you create for yourself, for your particular style, for your particular school. Okay, more information here. Okay, so what you want to do is be able to spend a few minutes and go ahead and take a look at what's here. All right, what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log in, and I'm going to use my code. There we go. I'll show you this area here. This is where your students would register here, or your visitors and competitors. Okay, let's go down to the login area. All right. If you notice here, it says welcome Ron T, and it shows right here, tells me how I've logged in as a school owner. Click here to go to your school admin. This is the back office. All right, this is your back office. Before we go here, I want to show you the school owner registration area. I want to click on this and take you to the school owners registration area. You're going to fill out some information, list your school name, maybe send up a logo. Here is the information for the school owner. Okay, it's pretty quick, straight to the point. You could register in a number of ways. If you're coming in just as a regular school owner, you could go in direct. If you belong to a management company like Educational Funding Company, well, then you could click here and give them some credit for the bringing you guys on board. Or consulting companies like National Organization of Professional Martial Artists, you can come in here and you can come in here and give them some credit. Your school name, here's where you do your logo, and then go ahead and submit. Now, this is totally free for school owners. Okay, it costs nothing to go ahead and utilize our websites. All right, I want to take you back now to the home page, and then we're going to go up to take a look at the back office. In the back office, that's where everything happens. There's a lot that goes on back there. It helps you run your tournaments, and it's easy too, because once you learn how to navigate one website, all of our websites are pretty much the same. So here again, I'm going to click on this link here. This is the the school owner's admin, and the codes that you use to when you filled in that form are the codes that you'll use over here. Now, one thing about the registration, when you register as a school owner, the email address that you gave us, you're going to have to verify that, validate it. So you are going to go to your email, you'll have to click on the link, come back here, and then log on. So don't forget to do that. All right, I'm using the same codes, and all right, I'm going to log in. I don't need this. Okay, I am now in the back office here, and you can see there's tabs to go ahead and do different things. I can see that they didn't fix our spelling error here yet, but we'll work on that. All right, let's take a look here. You have a home. You could edit your profile. This is the school. All right, your students' videos, PayPal. This is interesting because your students are going to come up and they're going to pay you an entry fee to participate in the competition. Now, you can collect your entry fees at your door, at your school, or you can come up here and you can designate a PayPal ID, your PayPal ID. And your students, when they go ahead and send up a video, they'll be taken to the PayPal account, your PayPal account, and they'll pay you right into the PayPal account, and then their video will be uploaded. Now, right here, you can tell them this is what your fees will be. If you want to make your tournament $20, $30, you would put it over here. All right. I'm going to go back. All right, changing passwords, this is done. This is pretty self-explanatory. Now, this is unique here. What I want you to take a look at here is you can change the categories. In other words, what you want your students to go ahead and work on. All right, so let's take a look at this. You have the basic categories. You could use any of these if you wish. Or you can come over here and you can designate exactly the subject matter you want your students to be working on. Your style has particular forms or anything. It could be anything martial arts oriented that you need them to be working on. So you could fill this out here just by typing in what you need them to be doing. All right, I'm going to take you to the executive users here. Once you your tournament, you're going to start your tournament, there's a couple of ways to find out who the winners are. You have a social media way, basically. It's what you're doing is it's the most accumulated star votes and views. Okay, and it explains that. I won't go over that here, but on the website itself, it tells you exactly how that works. And you could use that way of finding the winners, or you can use the executive users and you can add them here. What you can do is you just add that there and you fill out their name, and these are your instructors. These are your black belt instructors of your school. All right, so what they're going to do is when they sign in with their code, okay, their special code. So if I add one here, I'm going to give them, well, they have their email, well, let's see here, email ID, their username, and password. The software is intelligent. It's going to know when it sees those codes that that person is here to go ahead and find the best overall competitor. So it doesn't go ahead and put it with the rest of the star votes and views. It's taking these votes and views by these people, these judges, and putting it into a separate category. So it's just like being at a regular tournament. All right. So anyway, well, a little bit more on that a little bit later. All right. So that's the executive users. All right. Let's move on to reports. Reports. This is a pretty important area here. You can view the students that registered this month. You could also view visitors that registered this month. Now, this is important because these are your leads. All right. If your student goes up here, he registers a video up on his site. They're going to put it on Facebook, Twitter. They're going to tell the people in their neighborhood. Everybody they get the message out to come and vote for their video. When they come up here and register to go ahead and vote on that video, okay, because they do, in order to vote on the video, they have to be registered. When they go ahead and vote on that video, that information is collected here, and we give that to you as leads for your school. So this is pretty important right here. Usually what we do at the end of the month, I'll have a pizza party, and we'll watch the videos. We talk about the next month's competition, and basically all of the people that voted for their friends, I invite them. These are all new leads, okay, and it works great. All right, that's pretty much the your back office. All right, so you know, I think once you get it, go ahead and get used to it, you're going to find it very, very useful. And again, all of our websites work exactly the same way, so it's not learning a new website every time you click on one of them. This is the School Owner website. Like I said before, it's designed for in-house tournaments. Then we have the Virtual MA Events website, which gives you the ability to compete against schools. Whether that school is down the block or in a different country, you have the ability to go ahead and do that. That's pretty interesting too. But it all works the same way. If you are a school owner, you are going to go ahead and receive a back office. And in that back office, you can make the decisions you need to go ahead and do. All right, thank you again. This is Master Ron Tramontano, and I hope you enjoyed the little talk. Remember, too, if you have a problem, give me a call, okay? Get us through the contact information on the website, and we're here 24/7 to help you. Thanks again. Bye-bye now.